Finn Diamond Green and I'm the UK Data Service Director of Impact.
My name is James Lockwood. I'm the UK Data Service Research, Impact and Engagement Manager.
My name is Donald Hirsch. I'm Professor of Social Policy at Loughborough University.
We're at the Poverty and Data Impact event. It's an early careers research workshop, so it's in person here in Manchester.
It's time for me to welcome Professor Donald Hirsch to the podium as our keynote speaker. He established the original basis for a UK-wide living wage, now paid by thousands of employers. His work has contributed to strategies to combat child poverty and fuel poverty.
My experience is that if you produce good research and you link up well with stakeholders, there will be a lot of opportunities to produce research which is really impactful.
I started my PhD and my research career during COVID, so these events are really important to network and meet other people and also to discuss common challenges.
The UK Data Service is so important because of the fact that without the data that they have that's available to researchers, we wouldn't be able to get to the bottom of some of these key questions which really drive and shape our society.
It's really, really important to have a reliable resource. So coming to a face-to-face event just means you can really, really connect to other people and you end up getting lost in stories and all the best work always happens, doesn't it, around the coffee machine.
There's been lots of interesting discussions, lots of interesting questions going back and forth across the tables. I think hearing from someone like Donald Hirsch at the beginning of the day set a real good platform to allow those conversations to spring off naturally, to be able to support early careers researchers working in the poverty space, but also working in other sectors as well.
To find out more about what we've been discussing today and our wider work in the area of poverty and data, please visit the Impact section of the UK Data Service site, ukdataservice.ac.uk.